Hello everyone, good morning. This is Preeti Garg, your maths teacher, and today we are going to do one another theorem from chapter number 6 of lines and angles. And the theorem is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This we all know that sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now how is it? This very well we know. If this is a triangle has got three angles and the sum of each angle is 180 degree, right? Now this we are going to prove. How is it or why is it, right? So this is the statement. It can also be told as sum angle property of a triangle. Okay? चलिए, now whenever we have a proof, we need to write the statement. This is the statement. Then we write given. First thing is given. क्या given है इसमें हमें? इसमें सिर्फ हमें एक triangle given है. We are given just a triangle. Let the triangle be A, B and C. A triangle A, B and C. This is given to us. What we are to prove? हम इनके angles को आप A, B, C भी मान सकते हैं. We can consider as them as 1, 2 and 3 also. So we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree, right? Now for this we have to do one construction कि जो आपका BC है इसके पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. Draw a line parallel to BC, right? And name it as X and Y. Right? Name it as X and Y. Now construction में आपने क्या करा? Draw X Y parallel to BC. BC के पैरेलल आपने एक XY बना दिया. ठीक है? Now let us come to the proof. अब एक काम और करते हैं. पहले इसको consider as angle 4 और इसको consider कर लीजिए as angle 5. Right? Now just recall something that if you have two parallel lines and there is a transversal, then whichever angle is here and whichever angle is here, these two angles are equal. Now why these angles are equal? Because these are pair of alternate interior angles. So if we look carefully to the figure that we have made, angle 4 and angle 2 will be equal because these are alternate interior angles. Similarly, if we look at this side, these are two parallel lines and there is a transversal like this. So angle which is formed here and the angle which is formed here, these two angles are equal. ठीक है? Again the reason is same, that these two are pair of alternate interior angles. So for proof we just write, since XY is parallel to BC, XY BC के parallel है, therefore angle 4 is equals to angle 2 and the reason is alternate interior angles. I hope it is clear. This is first point. Similarly, you can write that angle 5 is equals to angle 3 and the reason remains the same. This is point number 2. Right? ये दोनों चीज़ समझ में आ गई? Now after this, we also can see that XY is a line. Also, XY is a line. XY एक line है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो ये रहा X, ये रहा Y, एक line है और इसके ऊपर ऐसे करके कुछ angles बन रहे हैं यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर. तो sum of these angles will be how much? एक लाइन के ऊपर सपोज ये लाइन है तो एक एंगल ऐसे बनता है तो कितना एंगल होता है उसके ऊपर? दैट इज 180 डिग्री. therefore sum of angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 will be equals to 180 degree, right? Now in place of angle 4 you can write angle 2, 1 as it is. In place of 5 you can write angle 3, right? Now it becomes 1, 2 and 3. You can write it in order. Angle 1, 2 and 3 is equals to 180 degree. And we have 1, 2 and 3 is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. This is only what we were to prove, right? Hence proved. Okay, so this is the way we can prove that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so now in our exercise 6.3 we will be having the questions based on this sum angle property of a triangle. Okay, so just complete this. इसको एक बार practice करना बेटा, and then next we will be starting with exercise 6.3. Okay, till we meet again, good luck and goodbye. Bye bye.